Jumripsur. My name Kiki or Yentini. I'm living in Sampong Chai Commune in Cambodia. I'm director of Songsery School. In this new year, I want to say thank you to sponsor and volunteer who help the school, make the school grow the student in community, who kindly support Songsery School. Your kindness, time, and generosity help our students to learn, grow, and dream for a brighter future. Because of you, our school is full of hope, care, and opportunity. Your support makes a real difference in life of our children and our community. We are truly grateful for your love, hard work, and dedication. Thank you for believing in our school and Songsery School. With sincere appreciation, Songsery School. Thank you, big love from everyone from Songsery School. Thank you.